Universal Polychem India Pvt Ltd. An incredible journey of persistence, hard work, excellence and trust. We are Universal Polychem India Pvt Ltd. UPIPL, your partner since 1997. UPIPL is one of the leading manufacturer of cable compounds, reprocessed compounds, engineered plastics for appliances and automobiles, Masterbatches, plastic sheets, biocompostable compounds for the food industry. What started in 1997 by Mr. Lalit Bansal under the guidance of our visionary Shri Reprocessed Bansal as a humble beginning in a small facility with limited production capacity in Alipur, Delhi, UPIPL has come a long way, emerging as a promising player growing in all dimensions. Established in 1997 by Mr. Lalit Bansal, the company has built up a reputation based on thorough knowledge and the latest technology and equipment specified in the field of compounding. All the stages of the production process are fully controlled and watched over, from feeding the raw material to processing and packing of the final product. UPIPL is a pioneer in the manufacturing of PVC and polyolefins compounds for wires and cables, the automotive industry and plastic sheets for the packaging industry. We specialize in providing customized compounding solutions to the utmost satisfaction of our esteemed customers for more than 2 decades. We offer our customers customized yet cost-competitive and best compounding solutions. The strength of the company lies in its ability to maintain standards and provide quality products with timely delivery schedules all over India. Located in Kundli Industrial Area, Haryana, UPIPL is a 5 acres state-of-the-art facility dedicated to producing a variety of cable and automotive compounds and plastic sheets with the help of advanced technology, compounding machines and sheet lines. The combination of all makes us the best in the industry. Our annual capacity currently stands at 1 lakh tons, with soon to be achieved by the end of financial year 2023-24. Our vision is to become the benchmark manufacturing company for providing world-class products to satisfy our customers through continuous improvement driven by the integrity, teamwork and creativity of our people. Our mission is to build on our history of product excellence and technology innovation to provide the highest quality and most reliable products and services to our worldwide customers in industry and research. Our core values are: put the team first. With empathy and humility, we seek win for all solutions. Be admirable, honoring our word and choosing candor, respect and kindness. Find a better way. A culture of innovation and continuous improvement, constantly seeking personal and professional growth. We are Universal Polychem India Pvt Ltd.